Welcome to Chinese from Zero, Lesson 14. In Lesson 13, you learned how to say what you want, what you like. You practiced two very important ideas. 想, want to, 喜欢, like. Those two words describe your intention, something you feel inside. Today, we take the next step. You'll start talking about actions. You will learn how to say things like, I want to go. I want to watch. I want to buy something. 2. You will also learn how to connect ideas together so that your Chinese begins to sound more complex, more natural. First, the 4 useful verbs. 去, to go. 来, to come. 看, to read, to look. 买, to buy. You like to buy something. To repeat them slowly. 去, 来, 看, 买. So these verbs allow you to talk about real actions in everyday life. Now we combine these verbs with 想. I like to, I want to. 我想去, I want to go. 我想看, I like to watch, I like to read, I like to look. 我想买东西，我想买东西。I want to buy something. The Chinese often keep sentences very simple. I want to buy, I want to go, I want to read. 我想看，我想去，我想买。So just the intention and then straight away the action. 我想看 I like, watch. Some more examples. 我想喝水，我想喝水，我想喝牛奶，我想喝牛奶，我想喝豆浆，我想喝豆浆。These are very common sentences in Chinese. Now compare two useful Chinese words. 和 and 也 also 也和 second tone 也 the lower third tone. They both look similar in English. They join sentences. They join things together. 和 joins things together. Listen. 我喜欢牛奶和豆浆。我喜欢牛奶和豆浆。I like milk and soy milk. 我喜欢牛奶和豆浆。Two things are joined together. But now listen to the next word. 也。我喜欢牛奶，也喜欢豆浆。I like milk and I also like soy milk. 我喜欢牛奶，也喜欢豆浆。Here, the sentence has two ideas. The first idea and then another idea. I like milk. I like soy milk. 我喜欢牛奶和豆浆。I like milk and soy milk. 我喜欢牛奶，也喜欢豆浆。I like milk and I also like soy milk. Listen again. 和 is joining two things, just simply joining them. 我要买水和橘子水。我想买水和橘子水。I want to buy water and orange juice. But yeah, it's another action. 我想喝水，也想喝牛奶。我想喝水，也想喝牛奶。I want to drink milk and I also want to drink milk. Sorry. I want to drink water, and I also want to drink milk. A simple way to remember this is 和 joins things. Simply join things. 也 adds another action, adds another idea. For example, two different ideas. 我想看书，也想看电影。我想看书 I like to read. 也 想看电影 and also like to watch movie. 我想读书，也想玩。I like to study and I like to play. Now listen to a short natural flow. 我想去买东西。我想买水和牛奶。我喜欢牛奶，也喜欢豆浆。我想去买东西。I want to go buy something. 我想买水和牛奶。I want to buy water and milk. 我喜欢喝牛奶，也喜欢喝豆浆。I like to drink milk and also like to drink soy milk. Now your Chinese ideas are beginning to connect. Now listen to a slightly longer sentence. 我想买牛奶和豆浆，也想喝水。我想买牛奶和豆浆，也想喝水。I like to buy milk and soy milk, and I also love to drink water. There's two things there, milk and soy milk. Two actions, I want to buy milk and soy milk. The second action, I also like to drink water. This sentence shows how Chinese can connect ideas smoothly just by adding two simple words, 和 or 也, or both, 和 and 也. So in lesson 13, you learn how to talk about what you want and what you like. Today, you learn how to connect those ideas into real actions. You learn 4 useful verbs, 去, 来, 看, 买. And you learn 2 ways to connect ideas, 和, joining things, 也 adds another action, another idea to the sentence. Now your Chinese sentences can begin to flow naturally. In lesson 15, we will add 2 powerful connectors that let you explain reasons and show contrast. 因为,但是. Meanwhile, repeat this lesson, repeat these sentences aloud. Use your own words, use your own verbs, use your own actions, use your own things. But train your ears and your mouth. See you in the next lesson.